Good morning, students. Welcome back to our classes. Today we will be doing the types of vegetation. We all know that there are different types of vegetations found in India. In previous classes, we had seen the importance of natural vegetation and wildlife. So, today let's discuss about the various types of vegetations found in India. In the map, you can see these are the different types of vegetations. Now, the first one is, which you will be seeing, is the tropical evergreen forests. These are the found in heavy rainfall, then tropical deciduous forest, maximum part of India, then tropical thorn and scrub forest. Here you can see they are found mainly in the dry regions of our country. Then montane forests in the northern and eastern states, and the last one is mangrove forests. So let us discuss about all of these. First one is tropical evergreen forests. Now these forests are found in the eastern and western Ghat areas in Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. States Assam, Tamil Nadu coastal areas, and these trees are very tall, more than 60 meters height they are there. They remain green throughout the year and they never shed their leaves. The most important examples are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, and the rubber plants found into these forests with cinchona. These are very valuable as well as very important vegetations found in India. Now the second one is tropical deciduous forests. They are found in the maximum part of India, like some part of Himalayas, UP, Bihar, MP, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, West Orissa, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu. It means you will see maximum part of India is covered by tropical deciduous forests. They are also called as monsoon forests because they are found in monsoon regions. They are deciduous forests because they shed their leaves in a particular season. Now these are of two types, wet tropical deciduous forest and dry tropical deciduous forests. Now the range of rainfall is wet tropical is between 100 to 200 centimeter rainfall, and dry deciduous forests are found into 70 to 100 centimeter rainfall. Now most important trees found into these forests are teak, bamboo, sal, shisham, peepal, neem, and sandalwood. They are the most commercially important trees found into these forests. These are some more examples: kusum, arjun and mulberry. So these are most commercially used vegetations. Next is your thorn forest and scrubs. They are found into Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. It means Gujarat and Rajasthan because they are already in dry and arid areas, and rain shadow regions of other states like MP, UP and Haryana. Now let's see. These are mainly having thorny bushes like acacia, palm, euphorbia, cacti, and the stem of these plants are very succulent and They are green, which absorb the moisture and conserve water, as well as they also do the photosynthesis. If you'll be seeing the roots, they are very long and deep inside the earth because the area is having very less water, so roots grow long in search of water. So here in this diagram you can see the stem which is being shown is succulent, also having conserving water. Leaves are mostly very thorny and very small because to save the water. Now next is montane forests. It is found in the hilly areas of our country. Here, like in the map also you can see the northern part, Himalayan region, the Sikkim and eastern states like Arunachal Pradesh are main states where these montane forests are found. Here the type of trees change according to the change in the altitude. Now let's see in detail about these type of forests. At the foothills of Himalayas, deciduous forests are found. Then from 100 to 1000 to 2000 meters height, we have wet temperate forests, in which the most important trees are evergreen. They are chestnut, and then after that we will be seeing, as we move to the higher level, here we can see 1000 to 2000 meters, the wet temperate vegetation, broad-leaved trees are there. Oak and chestnut, main example of the trees. Then at the higher altitude, 1500 meters height, evergreen, in which sal, teak are most important. Then we have 1500 to 3000 meters coniferous trees, which are very tall, straight, conical in shape. And the most important trees found into this are oak, maple, spruce, etc. At the higher altitude than that, if we go 3600 meters height, it changes into your temperate grasslands, and higher than 5000 meters alpine grasslands, and then more than 6000 meters height we have mostly mosses and lichens. Now the next one is our mangrove forests. Mangrove forest also called as the tidal forests, because here like you can see they are found at the coastal areas, or you can say delta regions of different rivers like Ganga, Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari, etc. Now the largest mangrove forest is the Sundarban Delta. Now these trees, if you will be seeing, they are very tall, very dense, as well as the wood is very strong, does not get decomposed. So these were the various types of vegetations found in our country. Remaining we'll discuss into next class.